I am not the same man I was 3-4 years ago, and some of you see that on my channel. You see that I'm different. You see I'm different in these videos. I've entered a new paradigm. Now, you need to start watching what red pill creators do, not what they say. I don't give a shit what they say. A guy like me, I can openly and overtly validate a woman. I'm not going to lose any attraction. And I don't give a rat's ass if I do. That's the difference. If I go call a woman beautiful, I say I'd love to get your number and grab coffee. If she rejects me because I validated her, you understand I put on 60 pounds of muscle and I made myself a multi-millionaire? Do you understand if she rejects me, I'm going to laugh? Do you understand I don't care at all? A guy like me can overtly call a woman beautiful. A guy like you who probably hasn't can't. There's levels to this. I don't care what game gurus or pickup artists or dating junkies you watch. You ain't gonna succeed like they do. Because that game guru and that dating junkie, that guy had sleepless nights, blood, sweat, and tears to build his brand. I don't care if he was peddling fitness. I don't care if he was peddling whatever it is. I don't care if he was peddling dating. I don't care if he was peddling seduction. I don't care if he was selling ebooks, info courses, masterminds, meetups, whatever. The guy was committed to creating something. That is why these guys can stand before you today, and they have something of value to give you because they put themselves through hardship. They were committed to being a builder, and they were committed to being a creator. So recently I've had a big shift, okay? This shift took me 10 months to figure out. And in order to walk a guy through the cycles of life, okay, there are 6 paradigms to being a headman, okay? Headman is a leader, the chief, solid. People can depend on you when you're a headman. There are 6 paradigms in order to hit the 6th and become full stack. Today I'm going to walk you through all 6 of them. I have never in my life discussed all 6. I have said all 3. I've said the first 3 before. I've even dabbled in the first 4, okay? But today I'm going to lay it out, and I've been telling everybody who's close to me these for many years now, okay? Paradigm 1 is the 99%er mentality. These people have their head down, they're broke, they're stuck to the 9 to 5, and they're destroyed in life, okay? But some of them see guys like me succeed. And those 99%ers in Paradigm 2 hit, in Paradigm 1, they hit Paradigm 2, which is the state of desire. They desire deep down to be successful. They desire deep down that they want more. They desire to be something that they have not been. Now that Paradigm 2, it comes from a state of lack. They want success, but it's because of lack. They're in scarcity with women, they're in scarcity with dating, they're in scarcity with finances, they're in scarcity with resources, and that is why they desire it, because they don't have it. When you've hit Paradigm 2 in the state of desire, you humble yourself to get to Paradigm 3. You have to say, okay, who I am isn't good enough, who I am is broken, who I am is not working, and who I am needs help. This is where you enter a state of replication, which is Paradigm 3, the state of replication. And you find mentors, you find people who have already been there, done that, and you humble yourself to learn underneath them, just like I had to for a decade. The money I made in the beginning was through a state of replication by learning people before me. The way I built my body was through learning from people before me. The way I started talking to women was through people before me. You have to go through these shifts until you get to Paradigm 4. In Paradigm 4, you enter into the state of creation. You say, hey, I was in a state of replication. I now understand. I see what works for me and what doesn't. I'm not going to blindly follow and listen. I am now going to take what God gave me. I'm going to use it to the best of my ability, and I am now going to be the creator in my own life and do what is best for me. This is when the real money starts to come in life. This is when women really start to see and understand that you have confidence that most guys don't, because you're committed to being a creator. Creation, building, masculinity, building. You get it yet? When you do this, you start to reap the rewards in life, and you finally will hit Paradigm 5 and you're a 1%er. I hope all of you get there. I know what it's like to make millions of dollars in business and still feel empty. I know what it's like to be able to get any woman that I want and still feel empty. I know what it's like to do all of these things for the financial gain that you feel it will do for yourself and still not feel quite right. I know what that void is like. And only then do you hit Paradigm 6. And Paradigm 6, you realize that you must be full stack. You must play the game Not for money or not for anything on the materialistic, but you play it for the internal. You play it for purpose. You play it for the reasons why you are on this earth. You play it for what God gave you. And only when you hit paradigm 6 do you reach true fulfillment. Only when you hit paradigm 6 do you finally realize that to be a full stack man, you are now somebody others can depend on. You are now the person who can lead the team. You can lead the company. You are the true boss. You've made yourself a stud. This is exactly what it takes to win in life. And see, this is why I created the Freedom Academy this year. Because inside of the Freedom Academy, I had to teach guys how to enter into the first 2 to 3 paradigms. You have to get out of the 99%er. You have to enter into the state of desire, and which is where I'm showing you guys who are making money on a day-to-day basis. I'm showing you my entrepreneurial journey. I'm showing you guys hitting paradigm 2 in the state of desire, going into paradigm 3 in the state of replication. And that's where I now have over 200 students this past month who have humbled themselves to say, listen, I'm ready to come in. I'm ready to actually learn how to do this the right way. I am now ready to actually follow a method so that way I myself can one day become that millionaire and get to become full stack. And my goal in life is to share with you everything that has happened to me. Because my life changed so drastically, I can't tell you just how good I have it. I thank God every single day for blessing me with these skills. And I would feel almost downright selfish if I did not share these skills with you. I would feel almost downright selfish if I didn't give you a slice of the pie as to what that feels like. Because I went from 0 to having everything that I ever wanted. And because of that, I want to show you how to do the same. So we have about 40 seats right now open in this. Okay, we're having a hard cap right here at 250 going into September. And the reason being is because I'm going to take those 250 students and I'm going to make sure they all succeed before anybody else comes into this. I'm going to be tweaking this in every specific way. And if you want to be one of the early adopters into this, now is the time. Because not only are you going to get the best support, the best guidance, the best mentorship, and the best step-by-step processes to finally become free, but these are going to be life-changing mindset habits that is the key fundamentals into making money for the rest of your life to build real-world wealth. Anybody can get rich, and anybody can make a little bit of money. Only the 1%, only the full stack actually build wealth. Only the full stack man actually knows how to look at things long-term. Guys, you have to actually look at what these Red Pill creators are doing, not what they're saying. And what they're saying may help you, but until you internalize the grind they went through, myself included, it's going to be very hard to put anything into practical use because those people were a slave to 3 things. They were a slave to dedication, they were a slave to sacrifice, and they were a slave to commitment to their craft, and they became experts in a field. I don't care what it is that you do, you have to be that expert. You have to start to separate yourself from the pack, and you know you have to, and you know that you always should have.